shit, man.
Yep.
What's up, man? All that money and get it in them damn shops.
Shit, you know how much they'll charge at the shop to do it. It's like $1,000 job at the most. Like
But I see
maybe.
why though, man, because it just be a pain in the ass when you gotta do shit every day too. It's not even like you just do it once in a blue moon.
Yeah. And then you gotta think about taking all this shit off.
I know. Right?
It is a lot, so it ain't like it ain't. That's why I was like, shit. But you can get it done for cheaper than $1,000. No, you can get it done for at least like $700 or $800.
Yeah, you can always haggle with them, motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying? Shit.
Start taking the intake out.
Yeah, get into it to replace the intake manifold. Hold on, y'all. Shit. I gotta take out that fucking. Ooh. Put that shit. Damn it.
I'm gonna go get a better ratchet. This motherfucker ain't
Got a
broke.
good spot to put this motherfucker. Ratchet for now.
Then it wants to work, once you don't want to do it.
So, getting down to it. Take out the radiator hose real quick. Damn, come on. There we go. Pull it off. Okay, that's good. Shit leaking. That off the way. We're gonna set that over there. We're just gonna set that right there. Okay, so I got that off. Set them to the side. Now what else? I got the alternator off, the alternator right there. I gotta find something to back down that EGR bolt. I got a 3/8 drive ratchet over here.
Okay, cool.
I got two of them.
Okay, cool. That motherfucker keeps like fucking whining out.
I got this one and then I got
cool.
the other one.
I got some ones put up in mom's room, whatever, but fucking.
What size do he have on this motherfucker? Back that over. Really, I think he needs a fucking one of these pressure brushes things. Best angle. I think he had one of these, if I'm not mistaken. He probably had a bigger one though. Go figure. y'all going? What was that, a gunshot?
I don't like it.
The sheriff just walked past that way with the kids. I'm like, what they doing? Thought they went to the park. She just walked that way.
Mom did?
Yeah, with the kids.
With the kids?
Yeah. I'm like, what they, that's why I said, where y'all going? Maybe she just walking with them or something.
Yeah.
I know, tell. Okay, you already got that out. Okay.
This should be good. That's a pretty good right there. Like that.
I ain't show you what the fuck they did to my dog yet.
What?
I ain't show you what they did to my dog yet. The kids. Now the little lock there, he got stuck where it went closed. So I was fucking with trying to get the closed. I did something there when I closed it. It closed, but it's not like fully closed. So I had to take the damn light, my lights off the inside because it was running.
Damn.
And now I can't get it open. So I'm like, how the fuck I'm gonna get it open? So like to try to fix it, I thought. Maybe like go on the inside and like kick on it a little bit while somebody holds the handle.
Yeah, we can get it.
Oh, man.
Another project fixing a Ford door.
Oh yeah, I forgot I bought one of these. I'm tripping. I might be able to get that out with this. Look at that. That EGR thing to back it out. I bought one of these.
Cool.
And here go the fuel things. To take off them lines right there. This.
Yeah.
So they're right there.
I got one of them sockets where I got an extension where you can't drop that bolt or you'll fucking lose it. I'm gonna get a better extension. This thing's retarded. You guys have to hold the fucking thing together. See, that's what I'm talking about. That retarded motherfucker wants you to grab all my good shit.
Exactly.
It annoys you so bad when you go to use it and you ain't got the shit. And it's just you've been thinking, why didn't I just fucking...
His ass stealing shit.
I don't feel like I was bullying people because I feel like I'll be bullying people sometimes, man. I don't like bullying people, you know?
Right.
But damn, he stole from me, though, you know what I'm saying? I just said, get the fuck out of my house, dog. And he didn't have no, I'm sorry, what I do.
Cause he know you stole.
Yeah, he already know what the fuck he did, dog. I swear to God, if I did something bad to somebody, they say, get the fuck out of my house, bro.
I have to wait on that shit for now.
Come clean, bro. I fucked up, bro. I fucking took it, bro. I'll fucking, I'll make it right, I'll bring it back, something, man, like shit. I'm just taking motherfucker's shit, dog. Get the fuck up out of here, dog. You don't even give a fuck about your homie, man. You know?
Dude, a clown, man. Getting to the nitty gritty. By the time P come out here to see what we got going on, we're gonna be already got the motherfucking thing off. Feel like, God dang, y'all done. Yeah, we almost done. Cause it always go back quicker than it was to take off.
Yeah.
And they already said that. It's like it take longer to take the shit off than it do to actually like.
Yeah, but you gotta figure it all out.
Yep.
What you gotta do all that. We can clean that intake out too while we got it off. Wipe it out real good.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah, you're supposed to wipe down the heads anyway.
Yep, that too.
He's like, don't put no razor on it though. He's like, take like some brake cleaner and a
Yeah,
rag.
that razor. People don't know when you be getting that razor on there, dog. You be shaving that aluminum sometimes.
Yeah, that's what he said. Don't do that. He's like, get a rag and some brake cleaner.
Yeah.
I don't even think I still got. Do I still got some of that brake cleaner? I don't know. I might have a little bit.
I got this one. Those two, so I need one more, which is on this side.
Into the nitty gritty. Shit. I hope Pete do got some of that RTV he's selling though. That way I ain't gotta buy nothing. I spent enough money. Shit.
You know what?
Fuck that. If I can get it, something put it
right.
on. Shit.
I'm pretty sure we got it, dog.
You don't need enough. I got a longer extension right here.
That's good. I got about loosened up now. I can just do this. Yeah, I see the EGR, yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta back that bolt piece out. He was using one of these, but I can't get the motherfucker to work. I said, well, maybe it's because all that shit in the way still.
Yes, it is, yeah. Exactly what it is.
Yeah, he was like, you don't even gotta touch this part. You just take that bolt part off, that's it, and then lift up with the whole thing.
This is for the intake. Now this is almost all the way done.
Mm-hmm. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's almost there. Then once we get that out the way, we gotta just take the fuel line off and then take the fuel bolts off of the fuel rail, lift that shit out the way. I guess move this spark plug wires or whatever.
There you go. Okay, I can disconnect this, probably PVC.
Oh yeah.
Whenever it comes out, easy.
I had bought me an extra one of them right here from the junkyard.
Yeah. So that's that. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it off right there and we'll just leave it loose right here. Okay, it's right here. Get that loose. Oh, this is loose. Get the probably gonna do the line. So we get that on done. Slide that back. Little pliers.